In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the easiest and the tastiest chicken and vegetable stir fry that you don't have to spend hours in the kitchen cooking. This thing is flavorful, it is good, and everything just sits right. But before we dive right into it, in case you're not subscribed to the channel, please click on the subscribe button, click on the like button if you end up enjoying the video, click on the share button and leave a comment. Let us dive right into the stir fry because you guys, you are going to love this. First things first, these are the ingredients that I will be using. As usual, check the description box for the ingredient list. I'm using loads and loads of vegetables. You can add more, you can reduce, you can always customize them. You will notice that I am cutting my vegetables in large chunks or in large bits, unlike other recipes. This is because I want to be seeing all my vegetables, my bell peppers, everything in this stir fry. Of course, if you don't like that, you can always cut yours however you want. Just make sure that you're using as much vegetables as you can, including onions. Please don't skip onions. People like skipping onions, but it just works, right? I'm also going to be using some garlic and some ginger. The ginger is actually optional. That was just me doing too much, but if you like ginger like me, you can totally add that. I'm also going to be using some chicken. I'm using chicken breast for this. You can also use chicken thigh, but I just said to use chicken breast here. You can go ahead to season the chicken breast as much as you want. I'm an advocate of people twisting and turning recipes to suit their taste, so if you don't want to use the exact spices and seasonings that I've used here, you don't have to, but if you want to, please check the description box. I'm also going to add some chili oil to this. I just wanted a little bit of heat without necessarily adding pepper itself, so I'm just going to set that aside and marinate for a couple minutes. For our slurry, I'm just mixing some oyster sauce, some soy sauce, rice wine, the ginger and the garlic that we made earlier. Then I am now going to set this aside. Something that I like doing is to make sure that all my vegetables are in one place or in one bowl. It doesn't have, like, there's nothing that it does. I just personally like it, and that is what I am doing here. You would also notice that I am cutting, or I have put all the vegetables, including crunchy ones and everything, because I like a little bit of different texture in this stir fry. So just to note that. I am now going to add a little bit of sesame seed oil, and then we are going to cook the chicken breast until the chicken breast is done. I love the flavor that sesame seed oil brings to this particular recipe. I just feel like using vegetable oil for this recipe is basic, but if that's what you have, by all means use it. You can also use different oils if you have. I just wanted something different from the regular. Now I'm going to add all the vegetables that we made earlier, or that we cut earlier. Again, I'm adding them now because I just love different textures in my stir fry, so you don't necessarily have to follow this particular part if you don't want to. You can add the harder ones first before adding the other ones. I'm going to add a slurry we made earlier, a little bit of water and some sugar. You can use brown and white sugar, they are literally the same thing. I'm adding that just because I wanted a little bit of sweetness to this particular recipe. Cover and allow to cook for a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to add some corn flour just to thicken this a bit. Please don't add too much. You would notice that we did not add a lot of water in this, so you don't want to add too much thickness and then just ruin the whole thing. Cover again and allow to simmer for about 2 minutes, and now our chicken and vegetable stir fry is ready. If you love this video, please give this video a thumbs up, please leave a comment, please share the video. And if this is the first time you're hearing my voice, my name is Daniel. I'm a digital content creator and YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. I share recipe videos like this every week, so you're never going to lack content if you subscribe to my channel. We are on our way to 50,000 subscribers, and I am so glad, I'm so grateful. But please click on the subscribe button, and if you try this recipe, you can send me pictures on my Instagram, TikTok, wherever. You can even send me emails of what you've made from my channel. I love getting those from you guys. Now I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.